When you're choosing a camera today, you'll almost always end up between two options, DSLR and mirrorless. And most people ask the same question, which one is actually better? The answer is not as simple as it might look, because they both have strengths and weaknesses. I'll break it down so you'll know exactly what to choose. In a DSLR camera, there is a physical mirror system and optical viewfinder system. That means you are looking through the lens, using an optical viewfinder, not a screen like on mirrorless camera. What is better on DSLR compared to mirrorless? Longer battery life, you can shoot longer without needing to recharge battery. Lower camera body price, DSLR bodies are often cheaper, especially used. Cheap used lenses, there is a huge second-hand lens market, but there are also some big downsides. Larger and heavier body compared to mirrorless camera, because there have to be moving mirror inside the body. All the technology, so there are not as many new cameras. Worse autofocus in videos, sometimes you won't have that sharp videos as on mirrorless. A mirrorless camera is the modern time. It doesn't use a mirror, instead light goes directly to the sensor and you see the image on a screen or electronic viewfinder. What is better on mirrorless compared to DSLR? Faster and better autofocus, smaller and lighter bodies, there is no mirror inside the body. Overall modern technologies, most new cameras are mirrorless. What is worse on mirrorless compared to DSLR? Shorter battery life, usually more expensive bodies and lenses. If you have the budget, a mirrorless camera is usually the better choice, because it's newer, faster and better for video and autofocus. But if you want to save money, a DSLR is still a great option, especially for photography. If you like this video, please consider a like and subscribe for more tech videos, and I'll see you in the next one.